Good morning, traders. Welcome back to Simply Forex. Today is Thursday, the 25th of May. And as always, we will look back at yesterday's trades. We will look at today's trades, of which there's about 5 million. And we're going to look at the important news for today as well, guys. All right. So let's get started. Let's look at yesterday's trades. And it was a tricky day, guys. Yeah, I didn't really get any setups yesterday. So we were looking to short New Zealand CAD. Okay, so, you know, we're in a downtrend structurally. We were waiting for this retrace to finally come down, and it did. And you can see, look, we've got lower lows, lower highs. You know, we're in a downtrend. And then we got this candle. Yeah, but by the time, you know, I woke up and was looking at the charts, the Kiwi interest rate decision had already pushed, you know, this candle all the way down here. So, yeah, we were looking for shorts, but we needed a retrace, guys, because down here, there's just no value. Yeah, we needed some kind of retrace, and then we took it lower. And as you can see, guys, we just didn't get that. If we drop down to the H1, yeah, no retrace, just went, you know, and this is difficult for us to get in on. Yeah, because, you know, we've got some bearish candles, but, you know, where do we hide the stop? You know, that's how I think first and foremost, you know, where can I put that stop? And if we start entering down here, realistically, your stop's got to be up here or at least above the moving average. Yeah, so just no trade, guys. We just couldn't get in on this trade. And it was the same for New Zealand US dollar. Yeah, the news, the interest rate decision just, you know, took this trade away from us, really. Unless you was already in it, like the New Zealand Canadian dollar, it was difficult to get in. And this one was the same, guys. So New Zealand US dollar, we were seeing this higher time frame range. Okay, and we wanted to take advantage of this downward momentum. But also, guys, you know, we were clearly in a downtrend as well. Come up, we've got lower highs, and now we've got lower lows. It's been confirmed. And again, you know, we had this candle, but by the time we woke up, guys, price was, you know, already down here. And now, again, this has no value for me, this trade. It's already made its move. If we, yeah, you can clearly, I mean, you can see it on the day chart, guys, but you can also see it on the H1. I mean, just, yeah, technical term. Just no retrace, nowhere we could get in, really, guys. Okay, so, yeah, couldn't get in on this one either. And then the last trade we were looking at yesterday was this. It was Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. If we go to the day chart, guys, yeah, we were just looking for a buy because price, again, we like to be with structure, with trend. Price was in an uptrend. Yeah, you can clearly see that. Higher lows, higher highs. Yeah, you don't have to be Warren Buffett. That is an uptrend. Okay, so structurally we were in an uptrend. And then we had these couple of candles. You know, we've got this wick and then this bullish candle. Like I said yesterday, guys, the wick on the top of this candle bothers me. Yeah, I'm a little bit sad like that, but that, you know, bothered me. But I was still willing to take buys back up to here. But again, just didn't really get a setup, guys. Yeah, by the time I was looking at the market in the morning was around here, and then price just broke down. And as you know, guys, I like to be with H1 structure, and it had already broken these lows, and, you know, price was coming down. Yeah, structurally, it just didn't give us a trade, you know, guys. And then it just, you know, kept coming down. So, again, yeah, no trade, guys, yesterday on Canadian dollar, Swiss franc either. Yeah, so one of them days, we just have to, you know, sit on our hands. Nothing was setting up. We didn't really get any trades. So do nothing. Well, don't do, you can do other things. But, yeah, just have to sit on our hands, guys. We'll have days like this, but, yeah, no problem. It's better to sit on your hands than jump into trades that aren't there. Okay. So that was yesterday, guys. Let's have a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed yesterday's analysis, then come join the channel. Subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button and smash that like button, guys. We'd love to have you. Come join us. Welcome to the team. Today is Thursday, the 25th of May, and I will give you my trade ideas. There's lots of trade ideas today. I've had to sort of narrow it down a bit. So yeah, we'll do that. But before we do, let me mention a few things that we do. So first of all, we've got free Discord, guys. So if you haven't joined that yet, join free Discord. There is trade ideas, there is knowledge, there are indicators, there's general chit chat, loads of cool stuff on the free Discord. We also have VIP Discord. You have to pay for this. But you have access to me, guys. Yeah, you have you can ask me questions throughout the trading day. You have my trade ideas as and when they happen. We give you exclusive content. You have access to a performance coach, many cool advantages to that as well, guys. So come check it out. What else do we do? We've also got a mentorship program where I coach you one-on-one. If you're interested in that, drop us an email and we'll send you all the information about the mentorship program. Thirdly, guys, we also got YouTube membership now. So if you enjoy these vids every day, would like to show your appreciation, then you can join YouTube membership. Yeah, there's some cool little perks, some discounts on some of our things, exclusive content. Yeah, join it. And finally, guys, don't forget our live stream every day. Well, not every day, Monday to Thursday, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Get your questions ready for that, guys, and we'll see you later for that. Right, all the information for all of these things are in the video description. Okay, trades for Thursday, the 25th of May. So I'm seeing a bit of further US dollar strength. I'm seeing a bit of Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar weakness. So yeah, let's see how that manifests in terms of trade ideas, guys. All right, so the first one is this: Aussie dollar, US dollar. Okay, and you can clearly see, guys, that, you know, price was in this kind of higher time frame range, and then it came, you know, crashing down, and we were shorting it in here, guys. Yeah, we made some nice profit on this pair, but it just blew through this support. Yeah, normally at a support and resistance level, you get a bit of support or a bit of resistance. This just went, whew, yeah, just straight through it. And whew, again, another technical term. So if we zoom in, guys, let's see the candle that broke it. So this candle here has just broken all of these lows through here. Okay, and you can clearly see, guys, you know, we're in a downtrend. We're getting lower lows, lower highs. Okay, so we're with structure. We've got a very bearish candle. Yeah, we've broken through support. Okay, so these are all the reasons I like this trade. We need more value is the only problem. We need a retrace. If I enter here, there's no value. If I enter in here, there's value. Okay, so let's look at that on the H1. So what do I need to see, guys? I just want to see, you know, a retrace into this grey zone somewhere, guys. All right, I want to see a retrace into this grey zone, and I'll probably have to wait for H1 structure to break down again. Yeah, because we would have a H1 structure break for this to happen. Okay, and then price comes up into here, and I just wait for that, you know, that structure break again on the H1. It may not happen today, it might happen tomorrow, guys, but so be it. That's my setups that I look for. That's what I need to happen. Okay, so we need a retrace, yeah, in here, bearish reaction. Let's start taking price lower. Okay. So that's the first trade idea, Aussie dollar, US dollar. Let's stick with the US dollars. I'm also looking at this, guys, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So again, if we start with the day chart. Okay, so what are we seeing? First of all, let's look at structure. So we was in an uptrend, and then price broke down. Yeah, we started getting, you know, lower highs, lower lows, but then price has built back up again. We are now seeing higher highs, higher lows. Okay, just follow that structure, guys. Structure and value. Yeah, that's all we're after. So we're in this uptrend. Again, we've also got a bullish candle. We'd like a bit of a retrace, and then we take price back up to these highs would be the target, guys. All right. Let's put it in, actually. Let's put this in. We would look. I'd probably look to take price. Yeah, maybe up to here. Maybe around 3625. Okay. We don't have much room to move into, which is why we need a retrace. So if we drop down to the H1, yeah, I mean, we've got, if I zoom out, you can see why this grey zone is an area of support. Yeah. Reacted, 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 reacted. Price has reacted many times in this zone. Will it retrace to there? I mean, first of all, if it does, yeah, again, we'll have a breakdown in H1 structure. So I would need a, a build up in H1 structure, and then we start buying it again. Again, this might not happen today, but there is a level here as well. So you can clearly see there's a level through here on the H1. If that holds and we get a bit of a bullish reaction off of this, yeah, and the moving average 20 will be coming round nicely, yeah, I think we could just, take a trade from that level back up to that, our higher time frame target. Okay, guys, so yeah, let's see. But I think we could trade from this level here. So that's the dollar pairs, guys. US dollar, Canadian dollar short, Aussie dollar, Aussie dollar, US dollar short, US dollar, Canadian dollar long. But there's more. There's many trades today. What else are we looking at? We're also looking at Euro, Aussie dollar. Okay. So there's also Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, which is but I prefer Euro, Aussie dollar. If we look at the day chart, guys, what has happened? Well, again, we've had a structure break. So at this level here, yeah, we were in an uptrend. And then price started to break down. All right. Started to see lower highs, lower lows. Now we're seeing higher lows, and then we get a break. Yeah, we get a break of these highs, and therefore we have higher highs. So again, you don't need to be Warren Buffett. That's an uptrend. Yeah, simple as that. So we're in an uptrend now, and we've got this bullish candle. Okay, potentially we could come all the way back up to here. Okay, but again, we need a bit of a retrace, before we come higher, guys. All right. But yeah, interested in buying this pair. If we look at the H1 again, guys, yeah, there's this. Let me show you on the. Oh no, this will do. So there's an area through here, guys, where price has reacted historically in this grey zone, even reacted here. So this grey zone is potentially an area we could buy from. All right, let's zoom back in. So if price retraces back down to here, again, we won't be with H1 structure. Price comes down, it maybe messes around for a bit, and then bang. Yeah, we get a break of structure. I can start buying this pair. Or again, we've got a, let me do that again. I haven't had my vodka this morning, so bear with me. If I do this again, yeah, we can see this is clearly a H1 low. We could see price react at this level. Yeah, if we get a bullish reaction, we could start buying it. Yeah, be a bit more of aggressive trade. But we could, yeah, if we see that, if H1 structure doesn't break and we get a bounce off of that area, we could start buying it there as well. All right, but Euro Aussie dollar long, also, highly correlated trade, but Euro New Zealand long. There's so many trades I like today. Euro New Zealand long. Yeah, so let's take a look at this. If we look at the day chart, guys, and if you look at the weekly, okay, yeah, the weekly makes sense here. Same with Euro Aussie dollar. Yeah, if we look at this weekly chart, yeah, it's back down to the moving average 20. We're getting quite a large push off this area. We can potentially take price back up to here. So let's do that. Let's put our target in. I will look for this area here. Yeah, that will be our higher time frame target. It could take days to get to there. But yeah, that will be our higher time frame target. If we go back to the day chart now, You know, similar scenario. We were, you know, coming down. We've bounced off this level. You know, bounced off this level. You know, arguably a double bottom. Price has broken this high. You know, so we are now in an uptrend. We've got higher highs. Okay, and a typical, you know, double bottom, W-shaped trade. Okay, all right. You can see the W there. It's basically a double bottom, guys. Again, we need to see a retrace before we come higher. So let's have a look. Let's have a look at the H4. Might be a little bit clearer here. Yeah, so again, I'm just looking for a level where price has reacted. And price has reacted many times in this grey zone. Okay, if we zoom back in, what do we want to see? Let's do it on the H1. Let's keep some normality here. So guys, yeah, ideally we want a bit of a retrace, yeah, back to this grey zone, okay? It could retrace further, guys. Yeah, it could retrace all the way down to here. But all I'm looking for, if it does this, is a build up in H1 structure. Yeah, I'm looking for price to build up. I'm in the trade. Maybe it doesn't build up here. Maybe it comes all the way down to here. And then again, I'm just looking for a build up in H1 structure. And then we can start buying this pair. We could, again, you know, there's H1 structure here with it. This is a low. Could get a bullish reaction off here. Yeah, we could. But really, we want to retrace. This is value. This is value. Yeah. So this is what we're looking for, guys. But Euro, New Zealand, we're looking for buys. Yeah, with all of these pairs, if you get such a large move up, guys, yeah, it might take a while before you get a setup. Because if price starts breaking down, yeah, we're not with H1 structure. Yeah, maybe it keeps breaking down, and then maybe it finds a point here. And then we have to wait. We've been in this trade for hours and hours. We still haven't got a setup. Price does this, and then eventually bang. Yeah, we get higher highs. Yeah, we get a bit of a structure break. So be it. I will wait all of those hours for my setup. No problem. Yeah, you must do the same, guys. Don't jump in on a trade. Wait for your A1 prime time, you know, setups. Okay, but Euro New Zealand long. There's more, guys. Let's show you them all. Let's go for it. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. Yeah, if we look at the day chart, this has come up to a real nice area of value, driven by news, but a nice area nonetheless. Okay, so price, as you can see, it's clearly in a downtrend. This high never broke. Yeah, this candle closed back in, so we never had a structure change, and we're still in a downtrend. Yeah, we're getting lower highs, yeah, lower lows, downtrend. Yeah, and this area here represents value. We're back up to this high. Okay, so yeah, we've got real value with this trade. I know that's a very bullish green candle, but that's news driven. Yeah, so I still think we can sort of take price lower. In fact, let's have a look. I reckon price would come back down. Let's start with this 0650 level. Okay, I think we can at least take it down to here, potentially all the way back down to these lows. All right. If we look at the H1 now, it's setting up nicely here, guys. Yeah. All I'd wait for is a break in this structure. Yeah. This is one of my A1 prime time trades. Setup, should I say. Yeah. So price is coming up. Yeah. It's not really making higher highs. You can see price is stuttering at this level. And then all I want to see is a break of these lows, guys. Once I get a break of these lows, I will start shorting this pair. Enter here, put our stop above here, and look to take price down to here first of all. I'll probably close 80% here and then leave 20% to run. So, yeah, I'm really liking the look of this setup right here, guys. Like I say, we just want a break of these lows, H1 structure break. I also like to be below the moving average 20 if I'm shorting, or above the moving average 20 if I'm buying the market. All right, so yeah, this could be a nice trade, guys. And all I do is put my alarm in here. So I'm going to make an alarm, add alert. Simple as that. Yeah. And there you go. We're in. I'll put it slightly below here. And then as soon as I can go off and do other things. I can do fly fishing, baseball, whatever I like. But when I hear this alarm, I have to put my rod down, put my bat down. And then as soon as I hear this, guys, I'm interested. Yeah, simple as that. So yeah, that's set it up nicely. There's more, but before I show you my last trade idea, guys, if you're enjoying my morning analysis and enjoying my trade ideas and would like to receive them every day, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, and everyone smash that like button if you're enjoying the video. Also, guys, don't forget the free Discord channel. Come join that. Why not? It's free. VIP Discord channel. Also got mentorship program where I coach you one-on-one. We've got YouTube membership if you would like to support the channel. And we've also got daily live streams, guys, Monday to Wednesday, 8 a.m. New York time. Join us for that. Right now, the final trade idea is the black gold. Okay, oil. I know DTV, you like a bit of oil. You'll be happy to see that we are looking at an oil trade. Because for me, guys, it has finally broken these highs. Okay, so that's what we were waiting for, guys, because price over here was in a downtrend. We've got a real push off. This is a real important weekly level down here. And then price has pushed off. And they started creating higher lows, yeah? And all we were waiting for was a break of these highs, okay? Yeah, so you can see higher highs we're getting now, and the uptrend is confirmed because of this little candle. Yeah, this is now broken these highs, okay? So we are in an uptrend, yeah? Simple as that, guys. Okay. Yeah, we're in an uptrend, and look at these are bullish candles. All right. If we zoom out a little bit, this will, we've got targets all the way along. So this will be a target, guys. But potentially we could take it all the way back up to this 82 up here. Yeah, this could also be a target. So yeah, that's what we're looking at, guys. If we drop down to the H1 now, there's this level through here. Okay, so there's this level where price has reacted, before. So price could retrace into this grey zone. We get a bullish reaction at these lows. Yeah, we could start entering the trade from there. Okay, or price just carries. It doesn't drop down. It just carries on, and bang, we get a break of these highs. We could also trade that. Enter, put our stop below here. Yeah, and look to take this, this upward momentum further. Simple as that, guys. So oil, we're also interested in buying that. And finally, that is all the trades for today. I'm still looking at a few more trades, guys, but this video will be about 3 days long. So, but yeah, there's a lot of the trades I'm looking at today, guys. And if you enjoyed it, yes, subscribe. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Thursday, the 25th of May. So there's some big GDP figures today. So the first one's here at 7 o'clock, London GMT. You might be in bed, but there is German GDP. Yeah, and all eyes are looking at GDP figures. Are we hitting a mini recession? You hear this in the news. So GDP figures really important, guys. And look, these have been negative. Yeah, so yeah, must keep an eye on that. That could really move the euro. At 1:30 London GMT, we got 2 3-star ratings coming out of the US. We've got GDP, yeah, obviously very important. I just explained why, and initial jobless claims as well, guys. So this is really going to move the US dollar at 1:30 London GMT. If we carry on down, guys, 3 o'clock, we've got pending home sales coming out of the US. That's going to move the US dollar, and that's it, guys. As you can see, no other 3-star ratings. Okay, guys, so yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, subscribe, like, and share with your trader friends. And also, guys, don't forget the live stream later today, and I'll see you for that. Get your questions ready. All right. See you later, guys.